The death toll from coronavirus in the U.S. has crossed 82,000 after nearly 1,900 more people died in the last 24 hours. The global death count has crossed 291,000 with nearly 4.3 million infection cases. More on that now in this report.
As governments in some countries start easing lockdown restrictions, COVID-19 cases in other countries see a spike. While the U.S. continues to be the virus epicenter, Russia now has the second highest toll with over 232,000 cases. Infectious disease expert Anthony Fauci has warned U.S. Congress against lifting lockdowns as it could lead to an additional break of COVID-19.
Because I feel if that occurs, there is a real risk that you will trigger an outbreak that you may not be able to control, which in fact, paradoxically will set you back, not only leading to some suffering and death that could be avoided, but could even set you back on the road to trying to get economic recovery.
In Germany, the scientific body advising the government on coronavirus says the virus reproduction rate has been above 1 for 3 straight days. While the world pushes on for a vaccine as soon as possible, the World Health Organization says they have a tricky task at hand.
So indeed, the work to develop the vaccine is moving faster than in the history of science. And we have over 100 candidate vaccines, and the ways in which it's being tested are being accelerated. But coronaviruses are very tricky viruses.
The authorities say the pandemic could trigger an influx of refugees in Europe if COVID-19 situation worsens in the Middle East and North Africa.